Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the property business. Start by building a strong foundation. Understand the different types of properties and how the market works. Research local regulations and zoning laws to ensure compliance. Developing a clear financial strategy is crucial for success, helping you plan your investments wisely from the beginning. This initial groundwork sets you up for a successful journey. Next, get hands-on experience and expand your network. Attend industry workshops and seminars to learn from experts. Connecting with experienced professionals can provide invaluable mentorship and opportunities. Make sure to visit various properties, observing different styles and conditions, to gain practical insight into what makes a good investment. These steps are vital for real-world learning. Mastering the financial side is essential for any property venture. Learn about various property valuation methods to accurately assess worth. Understand different financing options and types of loans available to fund your purchases. Crucially, analyze potential returns on investment to ensure your ventures are profitable. A solid grasp of these financial principles will guide your decisions. Finally, commit to continuous learning and adaptation. The property market is always evolving, so staying updated on current trends is key. Regularly reading industry publications will keep your knowledge fresh and relevant. Be prepared to adapt your strategies to changing economic conditions and new opportunities. This ongoing commitment ensures long-term success in the property business.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.